Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today we are going to be reorganizing the nail room. As you guys can see, the shelves are completely full with all the Madam Glam polishes, but let me show you what else I have. So I also have overflow of Madam Glam polishes here, as well as an overflow on the floor. So I have a new nail shelf. We're gonna hang it right here. I wanna reorganize this nail shelf as well, but definitely I wanna get all my Madam Glams up off the floor onto the shelves. And then I have the builder pots on the floor as well. So I'm gonna try to open up a drawer to put them away as well. So that way I do not have all of this on the floor. So I have the tools out. Let's go ahead and hang up the shelf. Okay, got the shelf up. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take all of the new colors. You can see those ones right there are new colors. That's the perfect black, so that's my end. So I'm gonna take all the new colors off, and on my desk I'm gonna kind of rainbow organize them a little bit, and then I'm also going to start shifting these down so I can go in and reorganize. It's quite the process, but it is going to be worth it in the end. So let's get started. Okay, so down on the desk, I have them pre-sorted. I actually found some more on my shelf off to the side, and then I found the Christmas collection on the other shelf over here. So I gathered them all. They're on the desk. I have kind of scooted everything down. So let's get to organizing. Okay, I have it all reorganized. As you can see, I don't have much room left. That's how many polishes I had laying around that were on the floor, on another shelf, on this shelf over here, filled up almost an entire one. So I do think I need one more to go, because you can see we're at the corner of this room. But I do have space. I could put one more here. So I think I am gonna need another one. We're gonna have to reorganize yet again. Hopefully that's the majority of it. And then I do want to organize this shelf over here. I have cat eyes. I'm gonna put all the cat eyes up there. So I did separate all the cat eyes that were up here. I took them down. I'm gonna put all the cat eyes over on this shelf, as well as some of the Builder in a bottles on this shelf. And then we have the smoothie collection, and we'll have a couple color changing. And then the no white top coats will be on this shelf as well. So I want to take off the nail reserve that's up there, and then maybe a few of the other ones, and reorganize that.